guys, welcome back to my channel. It is D from Busy with D, and I'm here with a video showing you guys how I organized and cleaned Dahlia and Damari's room. I figured that since school is starting, it's best to have the room organized so it'll make our mornings and our nights, afternoon, whole day go by a lot quicker and more efficiently. They'll know where to put their things and they'll know where their school clothes are and just all of that. So here's an overview of their room. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and keep watching, and I'll break how I did this down into detail. Alright guys, so there's an overview of their room. Let me tell you one of the first things that I had to do in order for them to both fit in the room is I had to get space for their books. They have a ton of books, and as you guys can see, there's not much floor space in here. This bed is huge. I'll tell you why we went with bunk beds in a minute, but we don't have that much floor space. So I went ahead and went to IKEA and got the spice racks and put their books in. So this shelf right here is for both of their books. It has a mix of both of their books. This side over here has all of Damari's books. So her reading level or books that I can read to her. But most of these are her reading level. This is her area over here. And then Dahlia has another bookshelf right over her bed, so whenever she's laying down, if she wants to just read while she's laying down, she can do that. So she's really into the I Survive books and shark books and space stars and things like that. So that is her area. So that's the first thing I had to do, was to utilize the wall. You can also see that here is where I put their little cups for their pencils and things like that. So this one is for Damari's pencils, markers, and then this one is supposed to be crayons, but she broke them all, so I threw them in the trash. But it has glue in it right now. You come to Dahlia's side, this one is for pencils and this one is for highlighters, and I'm still labeling them right now, so all of them will have labels on them soon. So this is Dahlia's area. She has her board she can write on. This clock was for, I think, last year, so we probably take it down and put it at a level Damari can see, or probably just take it down and put something else right there. So this is Dahlia's desk area. Each one of them have their own little space, little area. So this is Dahlia's area right here, and her desk came from IKEA and the chair came from IKEA, super cheap. And these little cup things came from Amazon, but you can get them from IKEA, and this rack came from Amazon. Mari's desk area, she has storage on the inside as well, so that is where her computer is and her books and things like that. She has $1 in there. So right here, they like to play their guitars, so this is the only space we have for them. Actually, I had these two swapped out, but I changed it around just to give it a different look. That's the most I can do. So this thing right here, I've organized. Each child has their own bin. So Damari has a red one, Dahlia has a red one, Damari has an orange one, Dahlia has an orange one, and they're categorized in here by color. So red is for reading, her reading books are in here. Orange is for math, her math book is there. Green is for writing. This is where she practiced writing her name. She's in kindergarten. And purple, oh no, this is blue, is for worksheets. So she has worksheets down here, and she also has her Brain Quest book from pre-K. And purple is book of the day. So I'll put a book in here that I want her to read for the day, and then she'll read it, and yeah, we'll switch it out for the next day. And Dahlia has the same thing. This is her reading, they're cutting the grass outside. Yeah, so this is her reading. This is her reading. This is her math, writing, because she's in the 4th grade. Worksheets, and book of the day. So that is how I organize this area over here. Their desks are organized. Like I said, the only thing that's in Damari's desk is her computer and little fun coloring books and things like that. And Dahlia's desk has, did I open this? Let's see, her desk needs to be wiped down as well. It's like a lot of stuff on it, but she has bookmarks, a calculator that she probably shouldn't have, just little books, pack of pencils, her diary or notebook, and then like little sticker books like this, stuff like that. So that's what's in here. Okay, so another thing we had to do was get rid of some furniture. So Damari had a dresser just like this, but it was half the size. So it was only this long from here to here, and it had 3 drawers. And when we first moved here, it was in the closet. It was in this area right there. So it took up this whole little space, and the only thing I can probably fit right there were her shoes because the dresser was over here. But we got rid of that. It's actually in the living room for right now. And now they're sharing this whole dresser. So the top is for their socks and undies and what is in here, tights and pajamas. So I went to Dollar Tree and got these cute little bins. Damari wanted pink, so in here it's laundry day, so it's pretty empty. But in here are her socks, her undies, and then her tights are right here, and then back here are her pajamas. I think this is a swimsuit cover up, but these are her pajamas. So for Dahlia, it's pretty much the same thing. She doesn't really wear tights, so these are her undershirts. There's a few tights, 1 pair of tights back here. All of these are her pajamas, and then her socks, or sock, but her socks go in here, and then her undies. And she wanted the blue basket, so these came from Dollar Tree as well. The next 2 drawers for them both are t-shirts, and it should be pretty much folded if they didn't come in here and make a mess of it. But t-shirts, and I also organized how I put their t-shirts in. So all of the t-shirts on top are, well, the t-shirts right here are school shirts, and then they have like play shirts over here. In the back are shirts that they can't fit but they really like and don't want to get rid of. Like this was Dahlia's 7th birthday shirt that I made for her, and these are like her old field day shirts from, I think, from kindergarten or pre-K. Back here is Dahlia's workout shirts and stuff like that. And long sleeve shirts are on this side over here that she doesn't need to wear right now. So she pretty much just gets shirts from right here for play or for school. And then down here are her shorts as well as Damari's. Okay, so another way I organize their clothes for back to school is, I saw this on YouTube, I saw it on Pinterest, I've seen it so many times, so I just thought I'd give it a try. These bins are from Walmart. I have 4, 2 for each girl, so each one has 3 drawers. So if you lift it up, this one is one, and then the other one is right here. Same for this side. And I just labeled them with my Cricut. And if you want to see a video on how to do that, I can just let me know in the comments, and then I'll make one for you guys. But I just labeled them the days of the week, and I put Saturday on here because they play soccer, and it's always hard trying to find their soccer shorts, their jerseys, and things like that. So Sunday, mostly Saturdays, what we do is after the laundry is folded, we come in here and they pick out their clothes for the week, and we fill them in the drawers. We put their shirts, pants or shorts or whatever, and socks in there, not the underwear. And dresses and everything can go in here as well. And it fits. This one is for Damari. She likes pink, and Dahlia's favorite color is orange, so this one is hers. And Dahlia is 9 and she wears a large in most clothes, so her clothes can fit in here with no problem, just to give you guys an idea of the size. So today is Friday. She's wearing her Friday clothes. It's about this deep. So that is what I do for school. Makes it a lot easier. In the morning, we don't have to figure out what they're going to wear. They just come in here. My youngest is too short, so my oldest will get her clothes out for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and maybe Thursday. And then Friday and Saturday she can do it herself. So I'll either lay it out on her desk right here for in the morning, or my oldest, Dahlia, will do it for me. Over here they have swim lessons, so this is where all of their swimsuits go, because that was a hassle trying to find where their swimsuits are inside of their drawers with their clothes and their socks and all of that. So swimsuits, all swimsuits go in here. They share a basket. Down here we have a basket for flip-flops. These are Damari's flip-flops. These are Dahlia's. They have their own basket. And I just come in here and throw them away as I need to. Over here is where the rest of the stuffed animals are. And this side right here, this little area, this chunk right here, is for Dahlia's jackets. These are their shared belts. Over here are both of their old costumes. They can't fit anymore. And right in here are dresses that we may want to keep or give away. Cute dresses. And these are dresses that Dahlia picked out but probably will never wear. So I'm going to stop buying her dresses. Up here are Damari's jackets, Damari's dresses. Yeah, just Damari's jackets and dresses. Stuffed animals that I have no clue what to do with, but they claim they really like them, so they're up there. Okay, now for shoes. This little rack over here is for Dahlia. I think she's missing like 2 pair, but this is where her shoes go. And then over here is for Damari, and I just got these shells, I would say 3 years ago from Target. I think they were like $4.99 each. And her shoes are over here. And these are little lights they got from the circus. And then I hang up whatever jeans don't go in here during the week, I just hang them up. But as you can see, I have to do laundry. This is Dahlia's side right here. Her start right here. And then Damari's start at the beginning over here. And back here are all of Damari's dress-up clothes that she likes to play in. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the closet. Okay, so for up here, we have the stuffed animals that they really love, that they play with like every day, and they can just walk up the stairs and grab them out from up there. The ones that Damari likes to sleep with, they're on her bed, and then the ones that Dahlia likes to sleep with, they're on her bed. So let me tell you why we got the bunk beds. We got them because they come with storage, and it just frees up space. This is a really small room, and we came from a house, so to have them like narrow down all of their things and them fit in the room comfortably and be able to play and not have clutter. There's supposed to be a drawer on the bottom, which is supposed to be Damari's, but it has not been assembled yet. The pieces are under there, so I don't know if you can see that, but it's one long drawer that goes all the way across, and that's for Damari. Over here there are 5 drawers. You can see the little handles right here. And we only use this one. This one is for all of their electronics, their cords and things like that, their virtual reality glasses, the box for her Nintendo Switch, just cords and charging things like that. And then there are 2 more drawers at the bottom that we don't really use. So that's why we got this bunk bed. Frees up space in here. Okay, and also for extra books, we didn't have anywhere to put them in their room, so this basket came from Dollar Tree. It's actually 2 of them, but we just put their, yeah, this is Dahlia's thesaurus, and then Dahlia's dictionary, and then Damari should have her own dictionaries, so it's over there. And last thing, electronics. This did hold flowers. So this is a flower pot we got from IKEA, but the flowers died because they weren't taking care of them. So I dumped the flowers out and I put in their electronics. So I don't know where Dahlia's headphones are, but hers will go in here, their iPads are in here, and the Nintendo Switch is in here. And that just sits up here. Again, this basket is from Target for like $4.99. This is, I don't know, some sort of PlayStation, the cable box, and then a VCR because I have a lot of tapes from when I was younger, like Lion King and Return of Jafar and things like that. So they watch those sometime. Here are a few of their trophies, piggy banks. So yeah, that's it for the dresser. And then their dollhouse has a few pieces of doll furniture and some other stuff. I also decided to utilize the windowsill. So the orange one is Dahlia's, that's her favorite color. My husband got this for them, and then the pink one is Damari's, and this is Damari's what is this? Globe, snow globe. So this is Damari's snow globe that she got for Christmas 2000, I think that says 2016. And then over here we use this for their bonnets, which are dirty. Today's laundry day again. Gloves, little bags and stuff. And then this is Dahlia's winter hat. I don't know why it's up there, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.